Hi everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to add subtitles to your video in 1 minute with Gemoo. So let's get straight in. Once uploaded, select your video's spoken language. Gemoo's advanced AI quickly analyzes your content and generates accurate captions automatically. After caption generation, click to access the template interface and personalize your subtitles effortlessly. Adjust subtitle position, size, font style, colors, including highlights, shadows, outlines, capitalization, emojis, and animated effects. After customizing, save your settings as a template for easy future use. Gemoo also offers influencer-inspired templates to quickly create engaging, viral-style subtitles just like popular creators. If auto-generated captions aren't accurate, such as brand names or specific terms, click on the word to quickly edit. Double-click subtitles to easily adjust their position, move them to the next frame, or add line breaks. To add or remove subtitles, simply double-click or select text to reveal editing options. Editing captions is as intuitive as editing a Google Doc. Want to highlight specific words with dynamic visuals or special sound effects? Click the word, and a drop-down menu will provide various engaging effects. You can also fine-tune the sound effect volume with a simple slider. Gemoo further enriches your video by seamlessly integrating stock images and video clips. Select words or sentences when you want B-roll. Search within Gemoo, and instantly add visuals with a single click. No more manual searching or awkward editing pauses.